Hey everyone, welcome to Velour's channel. Today I'll show you how to install Wi-Fi drivers on Windows 11. Open the Start menu. We need to find our adapters here. Type adapters, then view Internet computers and devices. We need Internet connection. Here it is. Here we have the adapters responsible for Wi-Fi. I have an Ethernet cable and Wi-Fi. My Wi-Fi is handled by Wi-Fi 6AX201 at 160 MHz. To install new drivers, use another PC to download and transfer them. I need drivers for Wi-Fi 6AX201 160 MHz. I'll go to the tab and download the required driver. For me, it's Windows 11 64-bit. Click Enter and then Download. Accept terms, save, open installer, and install drivers. Then restart your computer. This was Velour. Bye everyone.